Alright guys, so what we're going to do is we're going to learn about rational expressions. We're going to learn about what they are, and then we're also going to learn how to add, subtract, multiply, and divide rational expressions. It helps to build off our prior knowledge about what a rational number is. So a rational number is really just a fancy term for a part of a number, or a number that can be expressed as a quotient. And remember, quotient can be written with the old school division symbol, like so, but it can also be written with the fraction bar. So for today's purposes, or for our lesson's purposes, we're going to view a rational number as a fraction. Okay, so we can say a rational number is a fraction. So an example of a fraction would be a third, 2/5, 10 over 99. Whatever it may be, those are all considered rational numbers because they're all part of a number, and they have a numerator and denominator. Another good thing to look at for the term of a rational number, a good hint, would be this prefix here of ratio. From what we remember about ratios, is a ratio is a comparison of two quantities. So here's a comparison of 1 to 3, 1 part to 3 that make a whole, or 2 parts out of 5 parts that make a whole, 10 out of 99, and so on. So we're going to use that knowledge for defining what a rational expression is. So an expression is a combination of numbers, variables, and operations. So for example, an expression could be a plus 5. I have a variable, an operation, and a number going on. Another expression could be 2x squared plus 10. I have operation of multiplication going on here. I have a square, which means x times x. I have addition, I have a number, I have a variable in there. So that's another example of a rational expression, or an expression. So to make a expression rational is just you can compare two expressions. So an example of a rational expression could be a plus 5 over a minus 5. It's just an expression on top, expression in the denominator, and they're combined by this division symbol, or that fraction bar. So a rational expression is really an expression that is a ratio. Again, that term ratio is the prefix of this word, right? Rational is that ratio of two polynomials. For today's purposes, we can view a polynomial as the same as an expression. Okay? So what we're going to do next is we're going to start building off our prior knowledge of adding and subtracting rational numbers, and then building to add and subtract rational expressions.